Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And unpairing could be useful if, for example, you want to pair your watch with another device. Maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody, anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. Of course, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. So to unpair our watch, we need to open the HONOR Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And then we need to tap on device. Let me skip this, tap on device. And here you should see your HONOR Watch X5i. Select it, scroll down through this page and find the remove current device option. Tap on it, then tap on OK. And the watch will disappear from the app. And if you go to your watch and open the quick panel, you will see that next to the battery icon, you have this crossed out smartphone icon, and that means that the watch is disconnected from the phone. You can also check the Bluetooth settings just in case and see if the watch is right here on the list. It's not in my case, and probably it won't be in yours, but if it was here, you can tap on the settings or info icon next to it, then tap on forget to remove it. And once you remove it, you can close these settings as well. And basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.